State Route 71 Blackbird, a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft capable of extreme speed and altitude. A-4 SKYHAWK, a small and agile attack aircraft widely used for strike missions. F-4 Phantom II, a powerful multi-role jet fighter used by the Air Force, Navy, and Marines. OV-10 Bronco, a light attack and observation aircraft designed for counterinsurgency. B-57 CANBERRA, a jet bomber used for night bombing and reconnaissance missions. F-105 THUNDERCHIEF, a supersonic fighter bomber built to deliver heavy strike payloads. O-1 Bird Dog, a simple observation aircraft used for artillery spotting and liaison. A-6A Intruder, an all-weather attack aircraft capable of low-altitude precision strikes. RF-4 Phantom, a reconnaissance version of the Phantom used for tactical intelligence. AC-47 Spooky, a gunship aircraft providing close air support with side-mounted weapons. F-8 Crusader, a supersonic carrier-based fighter known as the Last Gunfighter. EC-121 Warning Star, an early airborne warning and control aircraft for radar surveillance. A-7 CORSAIR II, a carrier-based attack aircraft optimized for accuracy and endurance. OV-1 MOHAWK, a twin-engine aircraft used for battlefield surveillance and reconnaissance. RA-5C Vigilante, a high-speed carrier-based reconnaissance aircraft. O-2 SKYMASTER, a forward air control aircraft used to mark ground targets. F-100 Super Sabre, the first supersonic fighter in operational U.S. Air Force service. AC-119 Shadow, a gunship aircraft used for night interdiction and ground support. A-37 Dragonfly, a light attack jet effective in close air support missions. F-5 Freedom Fighter, a lightweight supersonic fighter designed for simplicity and reliability. RF-8 Crusader, a fast photo reconnaissance aircraft based on the Crusader fighter. T-28 Trojan, a trainer aircraft adapted for light attack and counterinsurgency roles. A-1 SKYRAIDER, a propeller-driven attack aircraft with long loiter time and heavy payload. YO-3A Quiet Star, a low-noise aircraft used for night surveillance missions. GRUMMAN E-1 Tracer, an early carrier-based airborne early warning aircraft. GRUMMAN E-2 HAWKEYE, an advanced airborne early warning aircraft controlling air operations. GRUMMAN HU-16 ALBATROSS, an amphibious aircraft used mainly for search and rescue. HELIO U-10 COURIER, a short takeoff and landing aircraft used for special operations. F-111 AADVARK, a variable sweep-wing strike aircraft designed for deep penetration. LOCKHEED T-33 Shooting Star, a jet trainer used to prepare pilots for combat aircraft.